Facebook doesn't have a trash bin for Messenger, so deleted photos can be lost. In this video, we'll show you how to recover them and manage Facebook data on iPhone and Android. Part 1. Can you recover deleted Facebook photos videos? Can you restore deleted Facebook photos? Facebook archiving saves media, and third-party tools can help recover lost photos. Let's see how to recover deleted photos. Part 2. How to recover deleted Facebook photos in 4 ways. Way 1. From recently deleted folder or recycle bin. To recover deleted Facebook photos, check your phone's recently deleted folder in the gallery. Photos stay for 30 days. Select the photos and tap Recover to restore. Way 2. From the Facebook archive. Log into your Facebook account and go to its settings. From the hamburger at the top right corner, browse to your general account settings and click the Download a Copy link. Facebook will load a dedicated page, prompting you for the archive info and how to use it. Way 3. Using data recovery software. If you can't find deleted photos in the recently deleted folder or archive, try iPhone Data Recovery. It's easy to use and can restore photos without a backup. How to recover deleted photos from Facebook account using iPhone Data Recovery. Step 1. Connect your iPhone to the computer, open the software, and select Recover from iOS device. Click Start Scan after connecting your phone. Step 2. Preview the deleted photos by selecting Messenger attachments from the left menu. Step 3. Choose the photos you want to recover and click Recover to save them to your computer.